So, Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, and India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi held bilateral talks in New Delhi on Saturday. Both sides exchanged agreements on a range of issues. DD India's Munmun Bhattacharya reports from New Delhi.
A warm handshake between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina at Hyderabad House in New Delhi. Sheikh Hasina is the first head of government on an incoming bilateral state visit after the formation of the new government in India. Both leaders held wide-ranging talks and exchanged 10 agreements in the areas of blue economy, health, space, railway connectivity, oceanography, disaster management, fisheries and strategic operations studies, besides shared vision on green and digital partnerships.
अखौड़ा अगरतला के बीच भारत बांग्लादेश का छठा क्रॉस बॉर्डर रेल लिंक शुरू हो गया है। खुलना मोंगला पोर्ट द्वारा भारत के उत्तर पूर्वी राज्यों के लिए कार्गो सुविधा शुरू की गई है। मोंगला पोर्ट को पहली बार रेल से जोड़ा गया है। 1320 मेगावाट मैत्री थर्मल पावर प्लांट के दोनों यूनिट्स ने बिजली उत्पादन शुरू कर दिया है। दोनों देशों के बीच भारतीय रुपये में ट्रेड की शुरुआत हुई है। भारत बांग्लादेश के बीच गंगा नदी पर दुनिया की सबसे लंबी रिवर क्रूज को सफलतापूर्वक पूरा किया गया है। भारत बांग्लादेश के बीच पहली क्रॉस बॉर्डर फ्रेंडशिप पाइपलाइन पूरी की गई है। भारतीय ग्रिड से होते हुए नेपाल से बांग्लादेश तक बिजली निर्यात ऊर्जा क्षेत्र में सब रीजनल सहयोग का पहला उदाहरण बना है। एक ही वर्ष में इतने सारे एरियाज में इतने बड़े इनिशिएटिव्स को जमीन पर उतारना हमारे संबंधों के स्पीड और स्केल को दर्शाता है।
India's PM announced a Maitri satellite besides the start of an e-medical visa service for the people of Bangladesh to enable them to take treatment in India. India will also be setting up an Assistant High Commission in Bangladesh's Rangpur. India will be sending a technical team to Bangladesh soon for conservation and management of Teesta River waters, besides beginning talks on a comprehensive economic partnership agreement with Bangladesh. Bangladesh's Prime Minister noted that a visit to India is taking place at an unprecedented second time in the same month, June 2024.
I am now visiting New Delhi for an unprecedented second time in the same month, June 2024. Earlier, on June 9, I attended with other world leaders the swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Modi and his new cabinet. These are testaments to our two countries' close engagement.
The visiting leader began her official engagements on Saturday by paying respects to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. She was then accorded a ceremonial reception at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Later in the day, she called on the President of India and the Vice President of India in New Delhi. During talks between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina at Hyderabad House in New Delhi, the focus was on laying out a futuristic vision for this partnership, a partnership that is both green and digital and from which the youth of both the countries benefit. It is also extremely important to note here that Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina will be going to China in July but decided to come to India within a span of 15 days ahead of that visit. With cameraman Anil Thakur, this is Munmun Bhattacharya from New Delhi for DD India.